In this video, you'll learn how to effectively contact eBay customer support. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to reach out for assistance regarding any issues you may encounter while using the platform. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once your account is open, scroll to the bottom of the home page. You will find a link labeled Help and Contact. Click on this link to proceed. This action will direct you to the eBay Help Center, where various support options are available. After entering the Help Center, you will see a list of topics related to common issues. Browse through these categories to find one that pertains to your specific concern. Selecting a topic will help you narrow down the information and options relevant to your situation. Next, navigate through the suggested help articles that appear on the screen. You will eventually see different contact methods such as live chat, callback request, or messaging support. Choose the method that best suits your needs for contacting customer support. Once you've selected a contact method, you will be prompted to provide clear details about your issue. It is important to explain your situation thoroughly and to include any relevant order numbers. Maintaining a professional tone during this communication will contribute to a more efficient resolution of your issue. After you submit your request or message, be prepared for a brief wait as customer support processes your inquiry. Depending on the method you chose, you may receive an immediate response or a notification about when to expect assistance. Keep in mind that response times can vary based on the volume of inquiries eBay is handling at that moment.